Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing another weekly plan with me for you guys, and this week I am using a kit from the shop Paper Crown Planner. Never used a kit before from their shop, but I am in love with it. It's super cute, super pretty, and it was pretty affordable too. I will have that all linked down below for you guys. And sorry if you can hear my ceiling fan while I'm talking. It's really hot in my room, so I was like, I'm not turning that off today. So, I don't have a whole lot to talk about, but I'm going to talk about a few things, and then I'm going to take about 5 seconds or so, more like maybe 5 minutes, to rant, and then, you guys are just going to get a voiceover, or music, or something. So, first things first, I just wanted to say that I think you guys may have seen this, you may not have, but I did open an Etsy shop. It's for digital planner stickers, but also for like printable planner stickers. So if you see them and you like them, you can use them. You can print them off and use them as a printable sheet. And I'm actually going to really quickly grab that just to show you guys. This one's not like super well. Actually, I have one I haven't cut off. Hold on. So this is like a test sheet, but this is, oh my gosh, you guys cannot see. Hold on. Oh, it is so dark. So dark. Okay, so anyway, this is going to be really dark. I'm really sorry. I'm like weirdly holding my light, but this is what like the printable sheet looks like. So you can literally print it out, or you can use it digitally. Personally, I'm going to be using them digitally, but I did print them out like on the paper so I could actually see if like you could use them as printables and make sure that they looked okay. You can do that. Right now I have just character stickers up. Those stickers I just showed you, by the time this video goes up, should be on my shop, but before this video went up, were not on my shop. But I just have character stickers right now, but I will hopefully have more stickers in the future. I'm currently going to, once I get done with this, I'm going to work on my getting everything ready for like new releases on Friday, and then I'm going to work on making a kit, or attempting to make a kit. We'll see how well that one goes. But that's a plan. So I do have my Etsy shop. I'll have it linked down below. It is PB Digital Planning. And right now the character stickers are $3 like a set, and I'm reformatting the sheets. So the sheets that are like up that have the listings that are like have a colorful background, those are the old ones. I will at some point in time reformat those as well, but I'm just sticking with it for now. So each of those sheets is $3. I have some YouTube icons that by the time this goes up should be $2.50. I had them up for $2 Tuesday before I decided on a price, but I'm just going to make them $2.50. They didn't really take that much. The kits are probably going to be like, oh, I don't know. They'll probably be $4 maybe, but I'll make sure I have coupon codes because I don't like spending a whole lot on planner printables myself. Like I will, but I like to get them for affordable, so I like to make them affordable as well. So obviously gotta kind of recoup the cost of making them as well as like make some money for a living, but you know, that's all arbitrary. So I really, really, really like this full box, and I also want to say this may be super blown out, like color-wise. It may be really bright. My last couple videos have been really dark because I'm obviously filming like a bright screen. So I turned the brightness up on my camera. It looks super bright on my camera, but it's usually pretty dark on the computer, so I don't know. We'll see. The next couple videos, I'm definitely going to be playing with that, so just bear with me, please. Alright, so I went ahead and switched to doing a voiceover for the rest of this because I kind of rambled when I was filming this video. So, quick update, number one. I did not end up having new releases going live last Friday like I wanted, so Later in this video, you guys are going to see some stickers that I used myself that I'm like, ooh, these are in my shop. They're not. I ended up actually getting my car last week, because for those of you who do not know, actually you may not know, I don't think I've filmed a plan with me since this happened, but I did get in a car accident, and I totaled my car, so I had to get a new one. So last Friday, I went and looked at cars, last Friday afternoon, and then last Saturday, so like 2 days ago from when I post this, I actually went and financed my car, and then in the process of that, someone actually hit my car while it was in the parking lot of the dealership while I was financing it. So I have to take it back on Thursday, when I get my key. Like, I'm getting an extra key made, so I have to take it back on Thursday, drop it off there. They're going to give me a rental car. They're going to fix that, and then I got to go pick that up once that's done. So new releases didn't happen because there was just a whole bunch of stuff going on, and then I just kind of like gave up, and for like 3 days it's like I'm not doing anything related to YouTube or Etsy. So that was that. Right here I'm actually I'm putting in the bottom washi, but I didn't realize you couldn't see it because I wasn't paying attention, and yeah, definitely should have been. So in this video, I actually was like talking right here. I was like ranting about some stuff. So since I'm not actually trying to like actively plan, I can actually rant about it and it'll make sense. So what I was talking about though is that I don't know if you guys have heard, but YouTube changed their monetization guidelines, and although it doesn't affect me on this channel because I wasn't making money on this channel yet, it hadn't been approved, it did affect 2 of my other older channels. And the thing is I didn't make a lot of money a year on those, but that $100 check at the end of the year was definitely something that I, you know, looked forward to, and it helped me with Christmas. But apparently YouTube has decided that you have to have 4,000 hours, I believe, if I remember correctly from the email, 4,000 hours of views plus 1,000 subscribers for monetization. And it just sucks because that means all of us little guys, or a lot of us little guys, kind of get screwed. So with that being said, if you guys enjoy my videos, if you could please subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. If you guys could comment and like and all of that stuff, that helps my videos get to more people. I would also appreciate it if you guys would share my plan with me's on your Facebook groups, on your Instagram, on your wherevers, if you enjoy them. I know that that's sometimes a lot to ask, but I do, it does help people see my videos. It does help with engagement and things like that. And one of the things is that YouTube has changed their algorithm, and planner videos tend to not be high up on the algorithm, and that's okay. It is what it is, but it just sometimes it sucks because, you know, I wish that more people could see these videos because I wish that more people could see these videos because I really enjoy making them, and I just want people to enjoy them. So, my other thing is, if you guys are watching small YouTubers, especially planners, subscribe to them if you're not already. Comment on their stuff, engage with them, because, you know, for some people their YouTube is their only source of income other than their job. You know, I don't make money off of this yet. I have an Etsy store. But I have a part-time job that, you know, I enjoy, and I end up working like full-time at, because it's just what I do. So I have other sources of income. But that being said, everything's just crazy with YouTube right now. So I will still continue to make planner videos, but just know that I will continue. But some people that you like may not be able to continue to afford the planning hobby if they're a smaller YouTuber, if you don't subscribe, and if we don't all help each other as a community to build up. So I'm wrapping up towards the end here, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up this voiceover. Basically, right now, I'm just adding in, you know, some more stickers like I've been doing the entire time. Right now, I'm going to do the sidebar. I added a bunch of different trackers. I honestly talk more about these functional stickers and things like that at the end. I just wanted to give you guys the story that I had originally talked about, but in quicker version that didn't take an hour and a half to get through, because this plan with me was originally an hour and a half long before I did all of this. And now you guys are down to 17 minutes. So I feel accomplished by that because this was insanely long. So I'm going to go and hand you back over to past me, who actually like talked at the end of this video. Alright, so there you guys have it. Actually, I'm going to add one other little touch that I added in last week. And I'm going to go ahead and use the same one this week. I'm going to add in a little planner charm, if I can find the one I'm looking for. There it is. Okay, so I just wanna... Alright, and there we go. So I added, I don't know if you guys could see in the video, but I added the two little like Erin Condren planner flags up in the top. This is a digital, oh wow. This is a digital planner charm. It's super cute. I actually just got it out of one of the Facebook groups that I'm in, so it wasn't like I bought it for sale or anything. It was just something that someone had. But I think it's super cute. It still goes with the color theme of the spread. And then this one right here, this is going to be for my work schedule for like the week after this. This is going to be to track my Etsy hours, which I already track in a tracker, which I'll show you guys at the end of the month. But I've already been tracking that in a tracker, but I thought it would be nice, to have it like written out there too, so I just have it. And then I have my little sale girl that you guys saw. I just have Orchid, the purple hair girl. She's already up on my shop. $3 for a sheet, if you guys are interested in that. I did my redhead on Etsy. My redhead Etsy. She's also already on the shop. And then I did these little YouTube icons. These are like my watercolor rainbow ones. Those are also on the shop for $2. I added in my Payday girl. I believe she's already on the shop, but it doesn't say Payday. That was if you guys saw from like this actual sticker kit. And then I have my HT Planning unicorn doing laundry. This is from last week's kit from Beautiful Planning because I liked the way that that looked. And yeah, that's what I've got going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys all later this week for my new releases, which are going to be on Fridays. So you guys will get this video today, which is Monday, and then you guys are going to get a new release video on Friday, as well as all the new releases. And that's the current schedule, tentative schedule. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this or not. Like I said, you can follow me, or like I said last week, you can follow me over on Instagram so that you guys can see the end of the week and like my throughout the week pictures. Got that right here. It is a digital planner boutique, because that was PB digital planning doesn't really fit on Facebook, or on Instagram, and digital planner boutique for some odd reason didn't work on Etsy. So life, there's that. Also, if you guys are interested in joining my Facebook group, that will be listed as well. Also, please let me know in the comments if you guys have any printable shops that you guys use, or digital planner shops that you guys use kits from. And then, like I said, this is actually like a printable kit, so I will have this linked below for anyone that actually has like a physical planner and wants to use it, or even if you have a digital planner. Like I said, they actually offer the PNG version of this, so it's already a transparent background, which is fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all next week. Bye!